When you search for solar cap post lights, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to discover what really shines, you've got to look deeper. Product number 1: Dynaming Solar Post Lights. First up, we have the Dynaming 8-pack Solar Post Cap Lights. Priced at $49.99, these caught my attention with their flickering flame effect. If you want to add a charming, atmospheric glow to your outdoor spaces, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the 72 high-brightness SMD LEDs that create a flickering flame effect. This means you can enjoy a warm, inviting ambience without the risks associated with real flames. Plus, they're solar-powered, so no electricity bills. Just charge them in sunlight for 6-8 hours and they'll automatically light up at night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They're designed for standard post sizes 3.5 to 5.5, making installation a breeze. Now, some users mention that they aren't very bright. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for mood lighting rather than full illumination, that's not really a deal breaker. They create a lovely atmosphere without being overly harsh. This is perfect for you if you want decorative lighting that adds character to your outdoor spaces. Skip this one if you need high-intensity lighting for security purposes. For the price, you're getting a great value for aesthetic appeal. Now, if the flickering effect isn't your style, the next option focuses more on versatility. Product number 2: Pezure Solar Post Lights. Next, let's talk about the Pezure 4x4 Solar Post Cap Lights. At just $14.99 for a pack of 2, these lights are incredibly budget-friendly. If you're after a straightforward, reliable option without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Pezure lights boast 3 different lighting modes and 2 brightness levels. That's right, whether you want a cozy warm glow or a bright white light, these lights can adjust to fit your needs. They automatically charge during the day and turn on at night, making your life easier. With a solid 4.5-star rating and over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate their convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adaptability in lighting modes allows you to create different atmospheres for gatherings or quiet evenings. Plus, they're designed to fit snugly on standard 4x4 posts, making installation a snap. However, a few users noted that the solar panel could be more efficient. But here's the thing, as long as they're positioned correctly in sunlight, they perform well enough for most. It's not a deal breaker if you understand that placement is key. This is perfect for you if you want customizable lighting that fits various situations. Skip this one if you prefer a more decorative or upscale look. With such a low price, these are a fantastic value for reliable outdoor lighting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3: VOLISUN Solar Post Lights. Now let's check out the VOLISUN 4x4 Solar Post Cap Light Pack. Priced at $59.99 for 12 lights, it might seem a bit pricey, but hear me out. If you're looking for quantity without compromising quality, this is worth a serious look. The IP64 waterproof rating means they can withstand harsh weather, ensuring longevity. With a 4.5-star rating and 1,400 reviews, they're popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having 12 lights means you can illuminate much larger areas, creating a cohesive look around your property. Plus, the installation is straightforward. Just choose the right base size and you're good to go. But here's the thing, if your posts fit the standard sizes, you should have no issues. Their size actually makes them more versatile for various applications. This is perfect for you if you want to cover extensive areas with aesthetic lighting. Skip this if you need larger fixtures for more significant visibility. Considering the number of lights you get, this offers excellent value for those wanting to light up a big space. If you're concerned about size, the next product offers greater flexibility in design. Product number 4: Side-Dye Enlar Solar Post Cap Lights. Next up, we have the Side-Dye Enlar Solar Post Cap Lights that come in a 4-pack for $39.99. These lights stood out to me because of their unique design and color options. If you want something that can match your decor while still providing function, this is worth a serious look. These lights feature 2 color modes, warm white and cool white. This means you can easily switch up your outdoor vibe depending on the occasion. They fit a variety of post sizes, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, so you can adapt them wherever you need. With a 4.6-star rating from 5,300 reviews, they're clearly appreciated. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable color temperature lets you customize your lighting to match your mood or event, making them versatile for gatherings or quiet nights. Plus, the IP44 waterproof rating means they can endure the elements without a hitch. Now, some users mentioned they found the installation a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. It might just take a couple of tries to get it right, but the aesthetic payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you like creative lighting options that enhance your outdoor decor. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple with no frills. For the price, you're getting a stylish upgrade for your outdoor space. And if you're looking for something even more simple, the last product might just be up your alley. Product number 5, Side-Dye NLAR Dual Mode Post Lights. Finally, let's wrap things up with the Side-Dye NLAR Solar Post Lights available for $19.99 for a 2-pack. These lights were interesting to me because of their dual lighting modes. If you want reliable performance at an affordable price, this is worth a serious look. These lights provide 2 modes, warm white and cool white, with each delivering 15 lumens of light. They fit standard 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6 posts, making them incredibly versatile. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 6,800 reviews, they're popular for good reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flexible lighting modes allow you to set the perfect ambience for your space, whether it's a cozy evening or a bright gathering. Plus, they're made from durable materials, ensuring they withstand the test of time. However, some users reported that they had to replace the batteries sooner than expected. Here's the thing, if you're diligent about maintenance, you shouldn't face many issues. Just keep an eye on the batteries and you'll be golden. This is perfect for you if you want affordable and effective lighting for your outdoor areas. Skip this if you're seeking high-end decorative options. Given the price point, they're a solid value for practical outdoor lighting. So there you have it, the dynamic lights offer beautiful ambience. Pleasure lights give you versatility, VOLISUN provides quantity, Side-Dye NLAR brings stylish options, and the other Side-Dye NLAR offers budget-friendly reliability. Depending on your needs, there's a perfect option for you.